Hey, welcome back with a travel lunch.
Jackie.
I found him over there.
He's looking for the heat gun.
Yeah.
And is he going to use it for the Airstream?
Yeah.
Yes.
He's going with the Airstream kool.
The Airstream.
Ready? You want to carry this?
No, here.
Let's go. Oh, here's it. All right, a little update on our equipment we got at the Harbor Freight. I picked up a heat gun, cheap heat gun to get the RV sealant off all the seams. Works like a champ. Probably should use a stiff spatula or a putty knife. This one here is kind of bending under the heat. Keep it away from the heat. And I also bought a heavy duty scraper that I got from Harbor Freight. I put paint stripper on this 1x2 square here. I'm fixing to scrape it off. It works real good. This very rigid scraper. With the heat gun, I took off all the RV sealant along here. It came off real good. Notice you got to put all your weight on where these rivets are on the, they call it the ribs of the trailer. Just the strength. So this is the best it's come off so far, any of this. I have all the kool seal off the top of the trailer. It's shining up very nice. I got a little more stickiness to get off with mineral spirits and elbow grease, that back quarter. Get that cleaned up. I've removed some vent caps. Got to clean those up. The bathroom fan, also got to clean up around it. But with mineral spirits, the stickiness is coming off and a lot of elbow grease. I have about 30 hours of labor into the kool seal removal on the top of this Airstream. Probably have another 10 hours to get the final residue stickiness off, and hopefully it shines up nice.
Thanks for watching, everybody.